Hi guys, it's Dr. Mohammad Usman and I am back with another video. If you haven't liked my YouTube channel, do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. You can also visit my Facebook page for updates. So let's talk about today's topic. Hi guys, so today we'll be talking about the Minitab software, and this video will be about the basics of the Minitab, and we will be talking about different functionalities as we will be moving forward into the Minitab software, and we will be working on different calculations and different graphs. I'm very glad that you have chosen to view this video, and I hope so you will learn through this video a lot about Minitab, and you can also use it for your statistical calculations and also in the Six Sigma, and also for different calculations related to your different process capability and many other things which we'll be reviewing in the next videos. So first of all, when we are talking about Minitab, when you will open up it will be just like this window, and it will be having a session window and it will be having a worksheet window. The session window will be displaying you all of the calculations and all the things which you will be doing or performing on your different variables or different graphs, and it will also show you the results of different calculations. The workshop window will be having your data available in different columns from like C1, C2, C3, C4 depending on what type of data is available to you. There is also a project window that will be telling you about the session history, then also the previous history, graphs you have done, then your worksheets, then your column, constants and matrices. So basically at this moment we are just talking about the introduction. So in introduction, if you can view that there is a file menu, and in file menu you can have a new worksheet, you can open project, save project as. Then you have also many other functions, opening of graphs, and you can also print them. Further you have a edit menu, and in this menu you have clear, delete and paste function. Like similarly your Microsoft Word, the data will have subset worksheets, split worksheets, and similar like when we move toward other calculations, we have calculator, we have basic statist calculation like descriptive statistics, regression, we have ANOVA, design of experiments, control chart, quality tools, and similar like we have many other tools which we'll try to study in during this training session. We can also work on different scatter plot, matrix plot or bubble plot or marginal plot depending on the nature of your work. The editor will have different commands and tools will have a notepad. So when you will be working on all of this, we will be reviewing one by one all of these, and then we will be working further on this software to analyze what we can learn from this one and what are the changes. So another thing that this is the Minitab 17th version, and you can download it from the Minitab website easily, and it is a trial for the first 30 days, and if you want to register it, then you have to purchase this software. So this video was up to here. If you like my video, do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. You can also earn training certificate from our video channel. The process is as follows, and it is easy for you. We have issued many certificates for many participants, and you can also get special certificates. So what you are waiting for? Go today to my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. Thank you.